Ever dreamed of owning your own business? Imagine this. A long-established locksmith operation nestled in the heart of central Alberta, Canada. A business that doesn't just exist, but thrives, with a physical storefront that stands as a beacon of trust and reliability for its patrons. This venture has been diligently serving its loyal clientele around the clock, offering an array of services and products. From residential homeowners to commercial enterprises, and even car owners who've misplaced their keys, this locksmith business has been the go-to solution for all. The scope of this business is as extensive as it is impressive. It's not just about selling products like safes and door hardware, it also encompasses an array of services such as installation, repair, servicing, and adjusting. Picture the satisfaction of providing a master keying service, allowing businesses to operate seamlessly, or the joy of offering a full mobile lockout service, rescuing stranded motorists with a key fob programming service. But it doesn't stop there. You see, this business isn't just about the here and now, it's about potential, it's about what could be. Perfect for the roll-up buyer, this locksmith business is ripe for expansion and growth. It's a chance to take an already flourishing operation and elevate it to the next level. And if that isn't enough, consider this. The real estate where the business resides is also up for grabs. Yes, you heard that right. It's not just about owning a business, it's about owning a piece of central Alberta. Now you might be wondering, why would anyone want to sell such a thriving business? Well, the answer is simple. The current owner is looking to retire. They've put in the hard work, built a successful operation, and now it's time for someone else to carry the torch. So if you're ready to step into a business that's already on its feet, with a high repeat clientele and a solid reputation, it's time to act. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Reach out, inquire, and see for yourself what owning this locksmith business in central Alberta, Canada could mean for you. Remember, it's not just about owning a business, it's about owning your future. Make your move today. Call now 780-471-4988. Call now 780-471-4988.